I just turned a basic photo of an organic face serum into a hyper-real marble counter, soft window light, dust motes, slow push-in, crisp text overlay professional video ad product. No studio, no camera, just using a simple AI tool. Same with these basic flat catalog shot wireless earbuds image. Now it has a premium 360 look with rim light, smooth reflections, and a luxury vibe. And here's a mini blender, plain kitchen snap, now a cinematic morning scene with fresh fruit and gentle camera motion. I'll show you how to build these using Higgsfield's Kling O1 AI feature, step by step. If you subscribe before December 7th, you get unlimited generations on Higgsfield, where you can use a variety of premium AI models to boost your creative workflow. Let's dive in. Higgsfield is a unified AI creative suite for images and video. Kling O1 Image is the hero model that lets you do everything in one place. Generate hyper-quality UGC product images, animate those exact images into short video ads with Kling O1 Video, and assemble multi-shot sequences with Kling O1 Edit. You don't need the physical product, you don't need masks, you don't even need to use complicated video editors like Adobe Premiere Pro. It's all prompt-driven. You'll learn how to craft premium product photos, keep brand consistency, turn your best frames into 5 to 10 second ads, and stitch multiple shots for a continuous scene. Perfect for reels, shorts, and pre-rolls. If you subscribe before December 7th, you get unlimited generations on Higgsfield, making it the most affordable, powerful AI video platform right now. Also, make sure to subscribe to this channel if you love AI tutorials like this. To get started, click the first link in the description or Google Higgsfield AI. On the homepage, hit sign up. Choose the Google login option for speed. One click and you're in. You'll land on the dashboard where everything lives. Kling O1 Image, Kling O1 Video, and Kling O1 Edit. These are the heroes we'll use when bouncing between image generation, video animation, and quick edits as we build. Alright, let's do a fast interface tour so you know exactly where to click. On the dashboard, hover on the image option at the top left corner of your screen and select Kling O1 Image. Beautiful. Here, you'll see the prompt box front where you can write custom text prompts, and there's also an upload option if you want to anchor a look with a reference. Here you can generate an image, preview, and directly animate it using the video icon, and even add custom speech to your videos. Same model, same look, no rework. In Kling O1 Video, you can upload up to 4 images at once to create a sequence, or you can define start and end frames to guide motion and transitions. Render controls like custom prompts input decide on camera behavior, lighting, exposure, and you can set a custom aspect ratio. Sounds great, right? For multi-shot sequences or combining several animated clips, you can use Kling O1 Edit. That's where you assemble your final ad if you've got multiple short scenes. Now, let's generate the first premium product shot. You don't need the product in hand. Kling O1 can create hyper-real UGC images that look like clean studio shots. Think of 3 pillars: composition, lighting, and brand style. So this is what our prompt will look like. Ultra-realistic beauty, UGC hero scene of the Lumivia Organic Face Serum in a beautiful, refined, and elegant glass container, perfectly centered on a pristine, white-veined marble table for a symmetrical luxury composition. The Lumivia label is crisp, fully legible, and front-facing. Subtle foreground bokeh adds depth, while soft, natural window light reveals the clarity of the serum and the fine craftsmanship of the bottle. A gentle rim light cleanly separates the edges without harsh hot spots on glossy surfaces. Delicate atmospheric glow, minimal clean luxury aesthetic, shallow depth of field, true-to-life skincare photography, high-end editorial commercial quality. Why does this work? Marble silently signals luxury, soft window light reads as skin-safe and trustworthy, and shallow depth of field puts the label in the premium spotlight. Let's generate our product. Ensure that the model is set to Kling O1, then set aspect ratio to 16:9, resolution to 2K, and increase the batch size to 4. This creates 4 different variant images from the same prompt, and ensures you get the best results possible. Now, copy and paste the first prompt and hit generate. This only uses 2 credits for this specific setup. Generate 2 to 3 variations of the same product. Don't accept the first good one just yet. Pick the frames with the cleanest label, best highlight roll-off, and minimal background noise. If lighting is harsh, refine with soft window light, no harsh hotspots. If the scene feels cluttered, add minimal composition, clean background, few props. If the angle is flat, say slight 3/4 angle, subtle camera height for depth. I will go ahead and generate other variants of this same product shot from multiple angles. I will use the image upload and import my previous product, which will serve as a reference. All the prompts used will be available in the second link below, just in case you want to check it out. So, I will fast forward the video to save time. Now, all our variants are ready. You can download one after the other, as we might need them later on. Next, let's try out our second product, Portable Mini Blender. Here is my prompt, ultra-realistic lifestyle kitchen scene of the Mixora Portable Mini Blender placed beside freshly sliced fruits on a clean white countertop, bathed in soft, natural morning light. The Mixora logo and branding are clearly visible on the blender body, front-facing and crisp. Bright, airy white background with subtle depth, gentle window light shadows for realism, clean, modern kitchen aesthetic, cinematic product photography style with a fresh, healthy lifestyle mood, and true-to-life commercial realism. Why it works? Morning light equals fresh, healthy energy. Sliced fruit shows use case instantly. A clean background keeps room for captions and graphics. Copy and paste it into the prompt box and click the Generate button. Simply repeat the same process to generate as many products as possible. Ensure to save them to your device once you're done. I will go ahead and generate 2 extra products using the same methods as the previous ones. By the way, if this helps, drop a like. It helps more creators find this. Now, let's turn those winning frames into motion directly inside the same model. Hover on the video feature at the top left corner of your screen and select Create Video. Great. We're now locked into the Kling O1 video editor. Here we have 3 options. We can directly create, edit, or draw to create a video. Under the Create Video feature, we have 2 extra features, Elements and Frames. Now, with the Elements feature, you can animate up to 7 images at same time, while the Frames feature allows you to set a start and end frame for your video. Each of them is useful for specific tasks. In other words, one is versatile, while the other is task-specific. However, we'll leave it on Elements and upload the first product image we want to animate. In my case, I will upload the serum product we previously generated. Here is my video prompt. Ultra-realistic cinematic luxury skincare commercial of the Lumivia Organic Face Serum, standing perfectly centered on a pristine, white-veined marble table. The camera performs a slow, elegant 180-degree orbit around the bottle, while a soft, vertical light sweep travels across the glass, revealing liquid clarity and refined craftsmanship. The Lumivia label remains razor-sharp and front-facing throughout. Gentle, atmospheric glow, floating micro-dust particles in slow motion, shallow depth of field, premium editorial beauty and realism, crystal clear, 8K cinematic quality. You can get this prompt from the second link in the video's description. Now, I'll copy and paste it into the prompt box, and before I hit generate, let's ensure that the model is set to Kling O1 video, duration 10 seconds, and aspect ratio is set to 9:16, as we want to keep our ads perfect for reels and shorts. As you can see, this will use up 20 credits from our initial credit balance. It's still very cost-saving anyway. Now, let's hit generate. Just look at that. It looks so perfect and realistic, similar to that $150,000 ad Rihanna would usually charge Fendi to create. Kling O1 just generated this in a few seconds. Remember to upgrade before December 7th and enjoy unlimited creations. Now, let's try one more generation. I will simply repeat the same process as before using the earbud product we previously generated. Now, let's generate our second ad video. Here, is our video prompt. Ultra-realistic futuristic tech commercial of the AI Genius X wireless earbuds floating in zero gravity above a pristine minimal white surface. The scene opens with a premium 360-degree product reveal as the earbuds execute a slow, continuous orbit and subtle axial rotation, allowing a full luxury showcase from every angle. The camera performs a gentle dolly push forward, combined with a controlled parallax shift, enhancing depth and scale. A sculpted rim light wraps elegantly around the earbuds, defining their silhouette, while ultra-smooth, high-end reflections glide across the shell, emphasizing refined materials and precision engineering. Soft studio highlights and a cinematic sci-fi glow reinforce a clean, futuristic luxury vibe. Toward the finale, the rotation eases into slow motion as a magnetic snap animation draws the earbuds seamlessly into the charging case, perfectly centered and weightless. Every movement is fluid, minimal and intentional, ultra-clean modern tech aesthetic, crystal-sharp, hyper-real 8K realism, premium commercial finish. Leave the other settings unchanged and hit generate, and here is what we've got. Now that you have your products created, how can you actually monetize them? Let me be very clear. This is the part where most people get stuck, and this is also where the money is. Because creating videos is one thing, getting paid for them is the real skill. I'm going to walk you through real monetization methods that actually work in the real world, not theories. First, the fastest way to make money with these AI product videos is selling short video ads to local businesses. Restaurants, salons, gyms, skincare brands. These businesses need video ads every single month, and most of them have terrible marketing. When you show up with a cinematic product video like this, they don't ask how you made it. They ask how fast you can deliver more. You can charge anywhere from $50 to $150 per video, or turn that into monthly retainers. Second, creating ads for dropshipping and e-commerce stores. Shopify store owners are constantly testing creatives. If your video looks premium and scroll stopping, they'll keep coming back for more. One product, multiple ad versions. That's easily a few $100s per product. Third, freelancing, but with the right positioning. Instead of calling yourself a video editor, position yourself as an AI commercial creator. Brands don't want edits, they want ads that convert, and that positioning alone allows you to charge more. Fourth, influencers and personal brands. Creators don't want to learn AI tools, they want results. You create cinematic promos and product visuals, they focus on their brand, and you get paid. Fifth, and this one scales, selling pre-made product ads. Create clean, generic product videos once and sell them again and again. This is how one video turns into passive income. And finally, use this process as content. Show your work, break down how it's made, document the journey. That opens the door to YouTube monetization, courses, brand deals, and affiliate income. If you can create high-quality AI product ads, you are now a digital asset, and the market is wide open. Don't forget to take advantage of the huge 70% discount promo Higgsfield is currently running. If you upgrade before December 7th, you get access to unlimited generations, not just for Kling O1 models, but even others. If this video helped you, drop a like, subscribe, and in the next one, I'll show you how to get your first paying client using this exact method.